Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install GnuCash on your Windows laptop or PC. If you're looking for a free and powerful way to manage your finances, track expenses, or even handle small business accounting, GnuCash is a really solid option. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your computer. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type www.gnucash.org and press Enter to go to the official website. Once the website loads, click on Look for the Download section. Now, under Windows, go ahead and click on the Download for Windows button. The setup file will now start downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the GnuCash setup file. If you see a security prompt, just click Yes to continue. Next, select your preferred language and click OK. The installer will now open. Click Next, then follow the on-screen instructions. You can leave everything as default, then click Install and wait a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. GnuCash will now open automatically, or you can launch it anytime from your desktop or the Start menu. And that's it. GnuCash is now successfully installed on your Windows PC. You can now start setting up your accounts, tracking your income and expenses, and organizing your finances in a simple and efficient way. When opening GnuCash for the first time, you can use the Setup Wizard to create your accounts and get everything set up quickly. That wraps up this tutorial. If this video was useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.